Hi, I'm Charlie, and I thought I'd tell you a little bit more about myself and why I've started my website, Ask Charlie. So, I'm Charlie Gray. I'm married to Simon. We live in West Sussex and we've got three children, Archie, Coco, and Gus. There's 2.5 years age gap between the three of them, so it is often completely chaotic here, an utter madhouse, screaming children, and goodness knows what going on. We've also got a lot of animals. We've got ponies, chickens, 4 dogs, a bit excessive, I know, a cat, and a tortoise, Billy. Oh, and we mustn't forget the goldfish. Anyway, I have realised that a lot of practical skills haven't been passed down through generations. So we've had girls come in to help us, and I'd say, oh, could you make that for me? Could you sew a button on or help with the name taping? Or how about doing some ironing? Oh, well, I don't know how to do those things. And I realised that these practical skills that used to be passed down through the generations aren't being anymore. And so that's really why I've come up with this idea to create a website and put a lot of the practical skills that I've learnt on there. My mum was brilliant at teaching me how to do things. I didn't realise I was learning, but she'd say, oh, can you do this? And, she'd show me how to do a button or hem a pair of trousers, iron a shirt, make a white sauce, all of these things. And it's just been really invaluable to me as a mother and a wife to have these skills. But I realised that they're just not being passed down anymore. So hopefully from the website you will learn things, and I'm always learning every day new things, and I get a great satisfaction if I don't know how to do something, finding out, learning, asking different techniques to do things. The plan for the website is to upload blog posts showing different skills. So that could be from ironing, gardening, children's birthday party, Christmas tips, making a bed. So keep looking. There will be things constantly updated on there, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm certainly having lots of fun doing it.